You'd be interested to know that speed limits in the Philippines for highways is only 50 kilometers per hour for trucks. However, apparently it is only a suggestion. I know that speed limit is only 50 because when I was working for Petron Corporation before, all tank truck owners were required to put a what they call that, I forgot the name, but they were required to put something that determines the speed limit for each truck, even remotely. So for example, me, I have my own company, I have my tank trucks. I just look at the screen and see how fast my trucks are going. Maximum is only 50. Waiting for client. She will give us her contract to sell for her condo investment in Mandaue. We are going to collect it and give it to Sibulan Masters. Hi!
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, hello.
Thank you.
Kita na kita, ma'am.
Ang i-check, ma'am, ha?
Sige daw.
Ma'am, nana ba ka-cute sa pirma? Nakay kuan, ma'am? Hello. CTS? We are still at 38 Park and it's raining very hard. Zeke is eating his favorite Marie biscuits. Why is there a fallen motorcycle? Aside from picking up our clients' CTS, one of our other clients gave us their post-dated check so that we can submit for their Zenheight investment. So we are here in Azela right now and I'm going to give the PDC to them. I've been here for about 15 minutes and they've still not provided the acknowledgement receipt of the PDC. I'm bored. Ay, okay na? Sige, salamat. We are back here in Malibu and we dropped off the swimming pool that Marge bought and we will put it here because it has a bigger space. And currently both Marge and my sister-in-law Mariliet are pumping manually. This is supposed to be the product. This is the actual. They have wasted 30 minutes of pumping and nothing to show for.
There is!
Look! 30 minutes of pumping. Nothing. Guys, I had very low hopes for this, but look. Hand-powered, manually pumped swimming pool. Look at Zeke. Hi, how do you think? What do you think of the pool?